It's a new day on the block, and our 2019 blockheads are wondering just what's going on.
Am I the only person up on the block this morning? In the whole block? Okay. Where is everybody?
Does it make it any easier if you're the first one up?
I don't think the block is ever easy, but there's something going on if I'm the only one up. What's happening?
To give us a more sensible update on what's happening, let's cross to Andy.
This is like the day after tomorrow-ish type of thing. Where, like, the bomb hit, then there was nothing.
Great, now we know exactly what's going on. Let's head down to house 1.
We've been down to get breakfast because there's not much going on around site just yet. So, we're ready to go. There doesn't seem to be a big sense of urgency, but we're behind.
Yeah.
There's quite a bit to do, and I reckon they should be up. We're ready to do whatever is required, and I think it's going to be a very big day.
So Mitch and Mark get started on their own in house 1. Another team that needs waking up.
Right, it's Thursday.
Come here.
Wake up.
Come here.
Oh, here he is. Hey!
I'm just in there running the show, mate.
All right, up and about.
Lunchtime, we're off. We're having a break, all right?
Okay, so this morning, I do believe the All-Stars were awake before us.
How come you didn't get out of bed this morning? What happened?
I don't know, honestly.
The reduced COVID hours, there's no point leaping out of bed and getting ready to jump into the tools because you just can't at the
You're
moment.
not allowed to make noise
not
till
allowed
8.
to make noise till 8, so...
All right, well,
Okay.
you just tell us what you need us to do, mate.